I know there are many of you out there who are not seeing a podiatrist because you may feel that a podiatrist is some type of luxury service. Well, I'm here to tell you, friends, that podiatry is a medical service and each individual is entitled to see a podiatrist. Especially if you're someone living with diabetes, you should be seeing a podiatrist at least once per year. A podiatrist is someone who specializes in the foot, ankle, and lower limb. As a podiatrist myself, it is my role to help you maintain your mobility, your independence, and your overall quality of life through diagnosis, treatment, and prevention.